Hi, I'm Jess. I'm an interior designer at Flyp. I help design all of our projects and also project manage any renovations that we do as well. We're really excited to do a project in the Bow Arts building because it's a listed building which I believe got converted into flats in the 90s. We weren't doing like a big project or anything, it was mostly just decorating, changing the carpet and staging, but it just showed how a little light touch of decorating can make such a huge difference. And we really helped freshen up the space, brighten it up, made the bedroom look like double the size it looked compared to before. One of the main challenges I think was the kitchen and the bathroom. We didn't really have any budget to change the tiles or the cabinets or any big renovations. The kitchen originally was bright red on the walls, so I just changed it for a neutral colour and it made such a big difference. It then really helped tie together the flooring tiles, which were a nice neutral. A lot of people, they'd go in and just be like, oh my gosh, I need to change the whole thing. It looks really dated, but actually I just freshened it up with a clean neutral paint and it made such a big transformation. In this house before, in the bedroom, there was 2 wall lights which were really not very attractive. They were quite dated, and we had the challenge of how can we change the wall lights without spending a ton. So I found 2 plug-in wall lights online, so we put them next to the bed and you can see the wire, but we covered them with some vases so it wasn't noticeable. Yeah, it was the first time I'd done that and they looked really good. I was really happy with that. Mario was such a good client to work with. He was really easy. He agreed with everything I said, which is great. He was happy to go ahead with the work, and he was really engaging. Every time I asked him a question or needed him to sign off on something, he was always getting back to me straight away, which is just like the ideal vendor to work with. So yeah, I loved working with Mario. So he said, thanks for sending through the finished pictures, it looks amazing. Almost tempted now to keep the flat, but don't worry, we're still going ahead and selling it. I'm sure this will make a huge difference and make the flat much more attractive to buyers. Excellent work. Oh, that's so nice.